Magħrufa l-iktar għall-ħidma tagħha fil-medja, Danae Mercer Ritchie hija ġurnalista Amerikana li tippromovi dera realistika tal-ġisem mas-segwaċi tagħha. Miż-żewġa u b'żewġ titfal, Rory u Leo, il-ġurnalista hija bbażata fl-Emirati Arab Magħquda. F'intervista ma' TVM News matul it-tieni żjara tagħha f'Malta, Ritchie stqarret li kienet ħerqana ħafna biex tesplora l-partijiet tal-gżira li mhumiex magħrufin wisq mat-turisti. Qalet iżda li l-iktar ħaġa li laqtitha kienet l-ikel Malti, ewlenin fosthom il-pastizzi, l-imqaret u s-soppa tal-armla. Ma' TVM News hija stqarret li kienet tħobb tikteb l-istejjer minn meta kienet tifla.
My mom, she didn't graduate high school, but she always encouraged me to read and to write. So she would have me practice writing as a journalist when I was little. I would like look at an image and write stories. And then I actually got my dream job, which was editor-in-chief of Women's Health Middle East and Men's Health Middle East, because I'm really passionate about health and fitness.
Ritchie kellha wkoll kliem ta' ispirazzjoni dwar l-użu tal-midja soċjali matul iż-żmien tal-festi. Hija spjegat li tilfet lill-omma meta kellha biss 19-il sena u li minn dak iż-żmien spiss kienet qatta l-miliet weħida jew ix-xogħol.
First off, just know you aren't alone in your experience. There are so many other people who are navigating that. And I think it does help just to remember we're not by ourselves. Secondly, if social media is making you feel worse in this holiday season, if it's making you feel more isolated, less connected, I really encourage those people to put down the phone, step away from that, do something that makes them feel strong and confident in themselves.
Hija saħqet li kull ma naraw fuq il-midja soċjali huwa akkurat apposta. Temmet b'suġġeriment biex kultant żmien wieħed idur il-lista tan-nies li qed isegwi jew li huwa msieħeb magħhom u jneħħel lil dawk li jħoss li mhumiex jispirawh. B'hekk qalet tkun tista' tgħin lilek innifsek mentalment u tippersonalizza l-kontenut li tikkonsma'.